Hello people, and how are you doing today? So in today's video I'll be sharing with you one of my most effective detox recipe that will have you pulling out all the bad fats, the waste, the toxins. It revitalizes your system, it makes your skin glow, it hydrates you, it improves your metabolism, it helps you in weight loss, it helps to burn out all the tummy fats. And without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy, glowing, and fit. Let's get right into the video. So for today's recipe, the first ingredient we'll be needing is kale. Kale is a powerful plant. It contains powerful vitamins and minerals. Kale is very high in nutrients. It's high in nutrients and very low in calories. It contains vitamin C, which helps to increase the elasticity of the skin. It's high in beta carotene, which is also beneficial to your skin. It contains cancer fighting substances, and it also aids in weight loss. So firstly, we are going to wash it properly before use. So this is how I wash. So I'm going to add vinegar. This is vinegar. It's a white vinegar. I use vinegar to wash my vegetables to get rid of all the chemicals that was used to preserve it. So I'm going to put a little quantity. Then I add water. And I'll set it aside for 5 minutes. The second ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is avocado. Avocado is very nutritious. It contains more potassium than banana. It's loaded with fibers that helps keep you full. It's loaded with fiber that help keep you full while cleansing your system at the same time. It contains good fat, and you know eating good fat helps to get rid of bad fats from the body. So this is the avocado we'll be using. We'll be using 1 avocado. So we're going to peel out the skin of the avocado while we use the flesh inside. Alright, so I'm done peeling the back of the avocado, and this is what it looks like. So I'll set this aside. The next ingredient we'll be using is our cucumber. Cucumber is very alkalizing. It helps to alkalize the system, flush out toxins, heal the body, and it forms a protective barrier. So we're going to slice it into small. Cucumber is very nutritious. It's very, very nutritious. So we're going to set this aside. So the next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is our coconut water. This water, when you break a coconut, you know that water that comes out from it. Not after blending, immediately you break a coconut, that water that comes out from it. This water is very, very nutritious. It helps in revitalizing your skin. It makes your skin glow. It aids weight loss. It hydrates your skin. It contains powerful antioxidants that are beneficial to your overall health. The next ingredient we'll be using is moringa. This is a very powerful plant. This powder was gotten from the flesh, from the leaf of the moringa tree. It's an excellent source of vitamin and mineral. It is rich in antioxidants, and it helps blood sugar level. It also aids weight loss. In fact, it's a very powerful powder to help you lose weight and burn belly fat. So that's the ingredient. The other ingredients we'll be adding to this recipe. The first ingredient we listed was the kale, which we set aside while soaking it in white vinegar to get rid of all the chemicals. So now we're just going to rinse it out and set it aside too. So the first ingredient we'll be putting in our blender is the coconut water. This is about 1/4 cup of coconut water. Then we'll add our avocado into the blender. Then we'll add our cucumber into the blender. Then we'll add our kale. These are our kale. We'll add it into the blender. Then this is the moringa powder. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Then I'll be adding 1 cup of water. So after blending this into a very fine and smooth consistency, you can also decide to add ice into it when you're blending. So after blending it into a fine consistency, it's now ready to drink. So let's turn it into our cup. Looks so yummy. So from that ingredient, I was able to get almost 2 cups. Let's taste it. This here is very filling, it's nourishing, and I'll also suggest to take this as your breakfast in the morning. It keeps you full and you will not need to eat unnecessarily. It will keep you full till when it's lunchtime, and ensure to take a lot of water during the day. Water also helps you glow. So take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy, glowing and fit. Thank you. Bye.